I'm not sure if you know about this, but when you buy a brand new Nutella, open it up, flip the lid over. There's actually two linings in here. There's a white lining and a silver lining in here. And then when you open up the silver lining, there should be a little knife to open the Nutella.
I don't know how many other people like these, but I've always had such a struggle getting the plastic thing off, and I just realized when I did it, I put them all up and then I moved it down and it just stayed, the plastic. Watch. What? Now you just grab it and then there's no plastic like melted on your thing. And I'm 18 now. Why didn't I think of this when I was like 7? I just learned this from Shane Dawson's new video and I'm shocked. Like, what the fuck? Okay, so you go to your settings. Then you press Control Center. Customize controls. Scroll down. Hearing. Add that. Okay, then you put your AirPods, whatever. And you get the ear thingy down there. You press that. You press Live Listen. Once it turns on, you can hear everything. Everything through your AirPod. You leave your phone in a room, go to another room, and you can hear what people are talking in the room that your phone is in. Loud and clear, and they don't know about it. So now, you know, you can spy on your boyfriend, you can spy on your friends, you can do whatever with this information. You're welcome.
I've been seeing this breakfast trend going around for a while, so I'm going to try it now. Put 3 eggs down in a pan, roll them around a little bit. Now season it with salt and pepper, let it cook for a little bit. So now just when the eggs are about done, you're going to put a tortilla shell on top. Now flip it over. Add cheese. Add bacon. So it should look like that. Now flip it over and continue toasting it on both sides. And now you have a breakfast quesadilla. Pretty cool, huh?
Haters will say it doesn't work. I'm convinced that if you put a base sunscreen of SPF 30 on and then SPF 90 on all the spots that you would put highlighter on, the sun will contour your face where you put bronzer and you will be naturally snatched all summer.
For anyone doing this like water in the glass prank, there's a much easier way. Right now people are filling up this glass, putting saran wrap on it, and then flipping it upside down, and then pulling the saran wrap out from underneath, which is really difficult, especially when I'm recording and doing it with one hand. There we go. I just realized I pranked myself. Go. Here's an easier way. Fill this up with ice cubes. Then just flip it upside down and leave it for about 30 minutes. All the ice will melt and the glass will be filled with water.
Better at posing for photos.
Don't do this. Do this.
No. Yes. No. Yes.
No. Yes.
No.
All right, so this is probably one of the best kept secrets for solving the Rubik's Cube. I almost considered not sharing this with you guys because it kind of takes the fun out of it, but I figured, I don't know, maybe you could use it to like get a date or impress your friends or something. So anyways, here goes. You can solve any Rubik's Cube starting in any position using just 2 moves, and you're just going to repeat these moves over and over again. You're going to turn the left side counterclockwise, and then you're going to turn the top clockwise. So it looks like this. And you're just going to keep on repeating this sequence over and over again And eventually the cube will start to sort of solve itself. You just keep going. Sometimes it takes a little longer than others. Pretty simple.